Hi there, I'm Rachael Ray, and I make 30-minute meals. That means in the time it takes you to watch this program, I'll have made a delicious and healthy meal from start to finish.
I'm Jeanette. I'm the culinary producer at The Rachael Ray Show. We are out here today in Brooklyn, New York, taping 30-minute meals.
And take it away, Rachel.
Today we're going to do a double take on takeout.
So this kitchen's a lot more modern. It's very sleek looking, very urban, beautiful marble countertops, really cool glass slidable shelves right behind us with all the really beautiful Rachael Ray products on them. We just wrapped up the third show of a 4-show day, so you can see we're still cleaning up the kitchen. Rachel just finished a chicken shawarma burger, which was absolutely delicious. Excuse me, lamb. It was lamb. Chicken was an option.
So we're going to peel up some garlic and get it ready to go in the pan.
We've got the crew here. We've got Mike, we've got Max. They are some of our great PAs. They are cleaning up the kitchen. This is my good friend Vince. Vince, you worked on the original 30-minute meals as well too, didn't you?
I did.
These are fully functional drawers. It's a fully functional kitchen. We've got her lazy pastry brushes and peelers, tons and tons of forks, her recipes for the day.
I love playing with food. This is the fun part.
So we've got some pecorino. You never do a Rachael Ray show without plenty of Parmigiano Reggiano. We try to make Rachel's refrigerator reflect what her refrigerator looks like back at home.
And we're off to the races.
I'm gonna show you what's in the pantry. As you guys know, every episode of 30-Minute Meals starts with a big gather. So she takes a big bowl, she gathers all of her ingredients that she's gonna be cooking with for the whole show.
We're gonna roll with dill, cheddar. Oh, I love it when they start to turn pink like that.
30-Minute Meals is a super easy show to prep food for because you just need to give Rachel whole ingredients and she truly makes the meal in 30 minutes.
But that is a serious soup and salad in less than 30 minutes. Like a gentle snowfall.
I want it to be a blizzard, not a little, drizzle. All right, there we go. That looks perfect.
My name is Grant. You might know me as the Cookie Man, and I am a producer here on the show. I used to love watching 30-minute meals. My favorite thing used to be the first minute of the show when Rachel would walk around the kitchen and just put all of the ingredients in her arms and just grab everything out of the pantry and out of the fridge. Somehow she never dropped anything. It was pretty nuts.
I think you got a little on my face right there.
Oh, sorry, buddy. I love assisting you.
I know, this is a weird role reversal right now for me. My name is Sarah. I'm a food stylist on the show, and Rachel's name for me is a Viking. Watching 30-minute meals sparked my initial interest in cooking and food. Soon after that, I went to culinary school, and I find myself here now, and it's all very surreal.
And that's it. That's all you have to do. I'm doing a party food, the classic spinach and artichoke dip without the spinach.
Pan of it.
I'm Kate Bennert, and I'm a member of Rachel's culinary team, and she calls me Kate the Great. I remember watching 30-minute meals when I was a kid. One thing that I find really amazing is that Rachel writes every single recipe for the show and for the magazine and still has time to go out there and be Rachael Ray, and I find that really inspiring.
Oh my God, mozzarella too! I have a stunt toaster. She's been toasting my buns for years. Jeanette is going to toast our buns. Jeanette.
I'm Jeanette, and I am a culinary producer on the food team. Rachel doesn't so much have a nickname for me as much as I'm the toast girl.
Jeanette has brought back perfectly toasted brioche rolls.
I watched Rachel on 30-minute meals back-to-back, 6:30.
I'm making my Brooklyn barbecue chili sliders.
She made everything look really, really simple, and it was very empowering.
My favorite 30-minute meal that I used to make was her pecan-crusted chicken fingers with like a maple mustard dipper.
Rachel's chicken piccata. She's made it countless ways. I love them all.
A seared hanger steak with a pepperonata, like chopped pepper.
Rachel's black bean soup with Southwestern Monte Cristos.
Thanks for spending 30 minutes with me, and remember, you've always got time for a great meal. Enjoy this one.